The Global Approval Manager is a centralized role providing oversight and work log approval across multiple teams. While users with this role don't have access to the core 7-PACE app settings, they do possess full approval and locking permissions for all users and periods. This makes the role a dedicated failsafe for managing daily time approval cycles. A key capability is the power to approve or reject worklogs for any user without a direct assignment. This is essential for resolving unplanned scenarios, such as when team members cannot submit their own time due to sickness or vacation, or when worklogs are accidentally submitted to the wrong manager. Global managers can override local manager decisions or step in when a designated supervisor is out of the office. They also manage the setup of approval schedules. You can define a weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly cadence. Note that monthly cycles must start between the 1st and 28th to avoid calendar conflicts. To finalize billing data, global managers can manually lock or unlock periods. This prevents further edits to historical worklogs. For a detailed audit before locking, use the Times Explorer to review granular worklog data and Jira tasks. You can also check the information directly in the time approval page. If discrepancies are found, reject the submission with specific feedback to notify the user.